I can't believe that you came into my life. You made me feel again. Now it's my turn. You say you've always been a little bit shy, but I can put an end to your fears. Let me show you a place where you gon' wanna move your feet until they start to bleed. DJ, take it away. Tonight is all for you and me, so baby.
Hello my friends, and welcome back to the channel and today's After Dark Clean with me here in 2022. I am just sharing a little bit of a before. As you can see, my kitchen was trashed as per normal on any single evening. So I'm just gonna kind of share what my solo nighttime cleaning routine looks like, as my husband was working nights on this night. And so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and jump right in. I am starting off by filling the dishwasher.
I know it's hard for you to give it a try, but you are not alone. I'm here with you. I think you owe it to this beautiful night to lose all your control. Do it for you. Let me show you a place where you gon' wanna move your feet until they start to.
If you are a returning viewer or you are new here, I want to welcome you. Please consider hitting that red subscribe button to join our growing YouTube family. I share lots of cleaning and homemaking motivation here on my channel, as well as just lots of lifestyle content. So as you can see, we did have pizza for supper on this evening. It was pizza and movie night, which was Friday. I had to sneak in a little piece there because who doesn't do that when you're putting pizza away? But those boxes take up so much space, so I like to go ahead and just put the leftovers into a Ziploc bag to kind of help with the space.
Just been for me. Won't you? Don't be afraid. Just let go of your fears, 'cause you know you can do it, baby. Dance them away. Now you know how it feels. Now you know you can do it, baby.
One of the things that I can't handle when I wake up in the morning is having dishes in my sink. So part of my evening after dark nighttime cleaning routine is to just make sure that the sink is empty and the dishwasher is full and turned on. It is very rarely, unless I forget, that I do not start my dishwasher in the evening, and then in the morning, as part of my morning cleaning routine, I unload it right away so it is ready to go and be filled throughout the day. Honestly, one of the biggest tips I can give you is to load and unload your dishwasher every single day and just incorporate it into your day somehow. This is just how I do it and what works for my home.
I really wanted to get it right. Trying to find some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight. Didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay.
After the kitchen is mostly tidied up, I'm just going ahead and putting away all of our outdoor gear. We are doing the 1,000 Hours Outside Challenge. I've shared it a few times here, but in case you are new or don't know, we want to get outside this year for 1,000 hours, and we probably do it. I just want to track it. And so there is constantly snow gear like everywhere all over the house. So I wanted to go ahead and get that cleared up. And now I'm just going ahead and washing the countertops, and then we're going to move back into the dining area.
Loving this crazy world. I felt like I was never heard. All I wanted was to be loved. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say, you will find a way.
I do also like to give my appliances a nice clean, so of course that's what I am doing here. I am also going to be deep cleaning the sink as well as the cabinets really shortly. So I'm using Thieves Cleaner on my countertops and my stove, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use this castile soap on my cabinets, and I'm just gonna kind of give them a really quick clean and just kind of spot treat them, but really focus on the handles as they just kind of were looking a little grummy. I'm also gonna use this on the fridge. And yeah, so if you are enjoying today's video so far, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel as a small creator, and I would greatly appreciate it.
Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time?
Another thing that I like to do is I like to program our coffee. It goes off at I think 4:30 in the morning, and I just love having it ready that I don't have to think about it. I wake up, I can smell the coffee, and it is there for me. Let me know down in the comments if you program your coffee or not.
They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. When you're down and you stare out your window, hoping that you'll come up with some words to say. That's not okay. You're fed up with heartbreak, and you know that you can't take another day. Well, that's not okay.
So now I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly throw in a load of laundry. I didn't get to doing it earlier this day. When my husband is working night shifts, I'm kind of like all over the place, as I'm obviously solo parenting for like days on end, seems like. And I'm not complaining, but yeah, so I'm sometimes a little slow and I don't get to doing things until the evenings. Normally I don't clean this much in the evenings. I usually just do like bare minimum, just empty the sink, you know, do the program of the coffee and that sort of thing. But I am kind of doing some deep cleaning here with the cabinets and now the sink here using the Comet. And then you will see in a little bit, I'm also going to vacuum and mop, which is not an everyday nightly thing. So just kind of keep that in mind. But when he is working night shifts, I am a lot more productive. And yeah, so I hope you guys are finding this super motivating. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you are still watching. And if you are still here, I would love if you left me a little spring or flower emoji down in the comments, as it is really cold here right now and I'm really looking forward to warmer weather. As you can see, like dog hair just gets everywhere in our house, so it is kind of essential for me to vacuum every single day. That's why I absolutely love our robot vacuum, but both my robot vacuum and actually my Dyson as well have kind of been acting up and making like weird noises. I feel like they're both gonna crap the bed on me at the same time, and that will not be fun at all. But yeah, I really needed to go ahead and vacuum, as I'm trying not to run my robot vacuum as much right now until my husband can take some time to look at it. I probably should be on the hunt for new vacuums. I've been eyeing up a stick vacuum for a while, but obviously have not bit the bullet yet, as I didn't need one, but your girl might need one shortly.
I can't forget, no. When I saw you on the dance floor, oh, I saw you who saw me first. I guess it's history now, and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow, and the music was so loud. Didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, that's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, it's too important to be your name. People go insane when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Lose control of myself, can't find you anywhere. Been trying for too long. I can't find love, been looking everywhere. It doesn't make sense, no. Cause I need you on the dance floor, 4 a.m. and we go home. I guess it's history now, and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow, and the music was so loud. Didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, that's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, it's too important to be your name. People go insane when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a
I hope you guys are enjoying the kind of music switch in today's video and you're finding it super motivating. I was really excited to switch up the music in today's video. I just wanted it to be, again, super motivating instead of like a relaxing nighttime routine, as I find it's harder to come by. So seems like everyone's kind of doing like relaxing nighttime cleaning routines, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys prefer down below.
Girl, you should wear a name tag. You should wear a name tag.
There's no need to complicate things. Let's stick to the basics. We both know what we want. Let's just keep it simple. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. We dance on the same wavelength. This feels like a new beginning. We both know what we want. Let's just keep it simple. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So won't you let me trip with you? Leading and follow, lead us till tomorrow. So won't you let me trip with you? Leading and follow, lead us till tomorrow. So won't you let me?
So as you can see, I did end up vacuuming and mopping the bathroom as well as our master bedroom here. So I wanted to go ahead and do that as the whole house was so clean. And so here is an after. You can see our master bedroom, the kitchen, and you will just see the entire main living area all fresh and clean. I wish you guys could seriously smell it. It was so nice. Now I know why I wish that I had more time in the evenings. to do an after dark clean with me, as I just find it so satisfying and motivating, and it just feels so good to wake up in the morning. I get asked about my dog often, so here she is. She literally is beside me all the time when I'm cleaning. She's just normally not in the footage, but I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Let me trip with you.